Booey.
Oh, this is the fun part. Jesus Christ.
Putting your wheels in?
Yeah.
Sick. Those are bigger than those ones. That's awesome. That is
Yeah,
good.
that's what I want.
You filming it? What up?
Baba Boo.
Wheels are the worst part, to be honest.
Where'd Simon go? Found him.
Where did I go, Mitchell? I don't know where I went, dude.
Hey, yo, Cooper. Stop. Trying to take a piss, bruh. What? Trying to take a piss. What you doing? Don't walk up on me, cuz. Mitchell, I know you want to see my penis, bro. Get the fuck out of here, man. What the fuck, bro? Hey, yo, don't look back.
Dude. Steven, just fucking piss, my dude.
These are wheels?
Yeah. No, these are my old wheels. These are the new ones. My bearings are a little fucked up, to be honest.
I can tell.
Yeah, I know. But they roll, so I'm not going to worry about it yet. I'll get new bearings eventually. Probably one will break before I get a new one.
My t-shirt.
You say bitch, what
You say bitch, bitch, bitch.
This is the worst fucking part. This is literally the worst part.
What?
Taking the bearings down.
I got it.
I got it too, but like it's annoying.
I want to be a king and do it for you.
Oh, word?
I'll be your favorite.
Dude, give me my
You have new
balls,
bearings
dude.
too, or no?
No, I don't. My bearings are kind of fucked up
You
too.
try to get your bearings? My bearings are kind of fucked up. Are they from the old wheels too?
Giving my hand a break. What do you say, bitch?
So are those bearings like relatively new? Like whenever you got all your other shit, did you get new bearings?
Yeah. They're skatable, dude. They roll just fine when I'm rolling, but when you spin them, they stop. No, the bearings. It's okay, Mitchell.
Take the cap off. Or not
You
the
say
cap,
bitch?
but the yeah.
How'd you get it stuck?
Take this off, Simon. The red cover.
Isn't it more likely to break that way?
No, Ethan says it does something with it.
Okay, let me see that shit.
He says it like dust and stuff clumps up in there, and whenever you ride it, like the air goes through it, so it
Should I?
doesn't have
How
dust
do I
and
take
shit
it
in
out?
it. I don't know, man. Go get some. Whoa.
You're just gonna break my fucking bearings.
No, I'm not gonna I'm not gonna bake your bearings.
Bake your burger.
Yeah, see, it's stopping. That's fold. It's like a spidget spinner.
Wait, what's that for?
Yeah, that's not gonna work, dude.
It's like a spidget
For
spinner.
what?
Apparently taking the covers off makes it better.
Makes it better. It makes it roll more smoothly and doesn't have like dirt and shit in there because it like goes through, you know.
Why are you recording us?
Because it'd be a cool shot. I'm putting on a fucking video.
You just gotta speed it up in the video.
Some parts, yeah. I'm
Yeah.
gonna include the part of Steven going, you were walking up with me, bruh.
This is going in right here.
Baba Boo.
I'm not trying to out people.
That's not how people go. Burr, burr, burr.
What about mine?
Oh! What the fuck are you doing?
It's the root. Root.
Dude,
That
there
was
was a teacher named that.
Because her ex-husband was the fucking, like, big dog of the school district. And she's a teacher now.
She's a bitch now.
Yeah, she's a
Oh,
fucking
wait, she
whore.
always fucking
Teacher,
Yeah,
bitch.
How are you so fucking good?
My favorite YouTuber is 24, and he's bald, and he's does YouTube for a living.
25 Savage.
Except his girlfriend is
This is starting really good.
It's 25 Savage.
his girlfriend is a nurse,
Like the hot ones?
like a hot nurse,
The
yeah.
hot nurse?
And he's bald, but he's really funny.
Wait, no,
that's
that's
just
Johnny Sins.
Johnny Sins.
Johnny Sins!
It's not Johnny Sins. This guy's much funnier. I know Johnny Sins is funny, but this guy's much funnier.
Damn, dog.
Hey, on a stream, he put a green screen on, and behind it, he should.
Baba.
Jesus Christ, I'm cutting shit.
Is that not funny?
It's funny, but I can't put it in the video. Dude, this is starting really good.
We didn't need to.
Thanks, Mitchell.
Your memory will carry on. It'll carry on.
Yeah, I think it'll do that too.
Is there a certain time you have to go?
I'll leave at 4 probably.
I think we all have to go then.
No. Cooper is gonna find you guys a ride.
Word.
You guys can stay longer. Or get me fucking toasted. Oh, come off. God damn it, bitch.
Not my God.
Dude, why do they do that? God damn it. Why do I only have 3 bearings? Oh yeah, that worked. One more wheel. How long is this video? How is it 24 minutes? I have to cut so much of that.